All right, guys, welcome to our second official e-learning day. I want to just, again, like I did for yesterday's, walk through a few things just to make sure, again, we can take advantage of this time. I know a lot of you have already finished up your big ideas from the 6.2 or are finishing up, which is great. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime you need, and I will be glad to help. We are not going to try anything new today. What I'm going to look to do is actually have some review of what we've looked at together Monday, and then what you watched a video for on Wednesday. Okay, so if you go back to our main homepage here, I've got it in student view. I've got a video I found on YouTube that talks a little bit more about some of the stuff that we have done. Just an optional video that you can look at and watch if you're still struggling with maybe some of the concepts that we've talked about the last couple of days. Okay, I've got it embedded, and then also a link to the actual YouTube there as well. Now, you'll see that down here at the bottom, it's the 6.2 e-learning assignment. I'll go ahead and see if it'll pull up for us here. Now, what this is just going to be an extra practice of what we've been talking about. So, if you have access to a printer and want to do it that way, that's fine. If not, just a separate piece of paper will be okay, just like we have been doing for the big ideas. So what you can see, you've got 21 questions here, working through everything that we've been talking about. So what I want you to do is on your separate piece of paper or this paper, just work through, show all your work just like you did on your big ideas. If I get a paper that doesn't have any work on it, it's not going to get any credit. Okay, so just make sure we actually are showing work. So like in number one, we're trying to rewrite this, the square root of 8. We go through, figure out which one it is, whatever that is. Then we'll go down here. You'll see number one is right here. So whatever answer you have, pick that letter and then go ahead and write it there for number one. And then we'll repeat that process for number 2, and then 3, 4, and all the way so on. Okay, now 21 is going to be the toughest one. Work through it the best you can. If we need to, we can look at it when we're back together. But the biggest thing, just try everything the best you can. Make sure you're showing all work. I will actually collect this by hand, so you don't have to submit anything. But it shouldn't take you super long to work through it. Some of these these letters might be used more than once. That's fine. It's not wrong. And then obviously try to make sure that your answer makes sense here at the bottom. So again, just to recap, we're going to watch that video if you're still struggling with some of these concepts. Then go here on a separate piece of paper, just name it on the top, number 1 through 21 with your work. And then put your phrase here. You can put it at the top of your paper, at the bottom paper. It doesn't matter to me. Okay, and then what I want to also make note of, I know I said it in the video for Wednesday, is this dynamic classroom. It's at the resources. You can go to where it says chapter 6, and then also 6.2, which is what we've been talking about. And really the main focus would be where it says example 2 and example 3. Those are the ones that we've been working through, so you can kind of click on this and it'll help you if you are still struggling. So guys, good luck with this. If you have any questions, please just let me know, and then hopefully we get a chance to get back in the classroom on Friday.